Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Welcome to 6 Cummings Court in Guelph. This is a spectacular home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in the Pine Ridge community. It backs onto green space with trails behind the home, and it's been updated with a brand new interlock stone driveway just last year. And the home inside is absolutely spectacular. Let's go take a look around. As you walk in the front door, you are greeted by a large foyer that leads into the main level living space. You will immediately take notice that this home is not only impeccably cared for, but that it has received extensive updates that even the most discerning buyers will appreciate. The main level offers a large living room with a vaulted ceiling and floor-to-ceiling windows that allow an abundance of natural light to pour in. The beautiful hardwood flooring flows into the open concept dining room, which offers plenty of space for dining and entertaining. Just past the modern barn door awaits the centerpiece of this home, the fully renovated kitchen. This kitchen has been exquisitely designed by Paragon Kitchens. It features modern cabinetry and stunning quartz countertops with a matching quartz backsplash. The island offers the perfect combination of design and function and includes a waterfall island with integrated counter height seating for 4. You will also love the modern panel covered fridge and dishwasher, the built-in oven, and premium cooktop. This stunning kitchen opens up to the family room, which offers plenty of space to comfortably seat your family and friends. Cozy up to the gas fireplace on those cool fall evenings, and take in the beautiful views of the backyard and green space beyond. The main level also offers the convenience of a 2-piece powder room and a laundry room that features custom cabinetry, a farmhouse sink, and top-of-the-line Miele washer and dryer. Heading upstairs, the upper level has 3 spacious bedrooms, a 4-piece main bathroom, and an open concept den that overlooks the living room. The primary bedroom has plenty of room for your king-size bed and dresser set, plus an additional seating area to enjoy a late-night novel. It also features a walk-in closet and an absolutely stunning ensuite with a floor-to-ceiling glass shower enclosure that features a waterfall rain shower system and a seamless tile insert shower drain. The ensuite also offers a custom vanity, upper cabinetry, and floating shelves. The 2 additional bedrooms provide plenty of space, offer large closets, and feature the same beautiful hardwood flooring that flows seamlessly from room to room. The main bathroom feels more like a spa with its incredible finishes. It also offers high-end custom cabinetry, a glass wall shower enclosure, and a freestanding soaking bathtub. Some of the fine details that highlight the main and upper levels include new modern baseboard and casing, framed floor vents, modern interior doors and hardware, and custom window coverings throughout. The walkout basement provides plenty of additional living space for your family and more than enough room if you decide you want an additional dwelling unit. Plenty of natural light shines through the large windows and French door that leads to the backyard patio. The rec room is the perfect in-home getaway to enjoy a good book or to sit around the gas fireplace and enjoy a family movie night. There's also a great deal of additional space for arts, crafts, and games throughout this expansive basement. It also offers the convenience of an additional 2-piece washroom, which has cleverly been built for a future corner shower if needed. You will truly appreciate this additional living space. Heading outside, the backyard provides an absolutely serene setting with its mature trees and lush gardens. Admire the views from the raised composite deck or the patio down below. You will enjoy the privacy it offers, as well as the convenience of having the trail system and green space to the rear. This picturesque backyard is the perfect private oasis for you to relax with a morning coffee or tea and enjoy nature as you ease into your day. As you can see, this home has so much to offer both inside and out. Just steps from 3 nearby parks and the trail system, a quick drive to the highway, and all of the South End amenities close by, the location is superb, and the home will surely impress you. As you can see, this is an absolutely amazing home, and the quality of finishes throughout are unparalleled. They're absolutely spectacular. If you'd like to book a private tour, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to show you around this tremendous property. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.